Unveiling the Past. The Days of Old, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going on a little time travel to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in stories, movies, or even songs. The days of old. This phrase has a rich flavor and brings to mind images and stories from the past. But what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. The phrase, days of old, is used to refer to a bygone era, a time period that is looked back upon with nostalgia or historical significance. It is often used to describe a time that is considered to be better or simpler than the present, or to refer to a period that holds a lot of historical value. When we talk about the days of old, we're usually referring to a past that predates the current generation by a significant margin. It could be a period as recent as our grandparents' youth or as ancient as the times of knights and castles. You might use days of old when you are reminiscing or telling a story about the past. It's a phrase that sets the stage for tales of adventure, history, lore, and sometimes even personal anecdotes. In literature, authors use it to create a sense of history and legend. In conversation, it can add a poetic touch when reflecting on the past. In academic writing, it's less common but might appear in discussions of historical periods. The phrase is versatile but tends to appear more in creative and narrative contexts rather than formal or technical writing. To give you a sense of how days of old can be incorporated into language, here are a few examples. The castle ruins were a stark reminder of the days of old, when kings and queens ruled the land. My grandfather would often tell stories of the days of old, when technology was not as advanced, and life was slower. Folk songs often pay tribute to the days of old, bringing to life the traditions and stories of the past. In each case, the phrase gives a nostalgic or historical color to the sentence. The phrase, days of old, is not just a way of speaking about the past. It's also a reflection of our fascination with history and tradition. It can evoke a sense of wonder or longing for times that seem more heroic, romantic, or simply different from the complex world we live in today. Culturally, using this phrase can connect us to the shared human experience and our collective memory, underscoring the importance of understanding and remembering history. I hope this journey through the days of old has given you a new appreciation for this evocative phrase. As you continue to learn and explore the English language, remember that phrases like this one are more than just words. They're a bridge to different times and experiences. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning and keep looking back as well as forward.